Hello everybody. So we are back. We are back in here. It's been a lot of work done to it. The brackets now for the seat are in place. So now I can cover the seat because I needed the bolts to go through first, tighten it up in place, and then I can cover it. And then on behind it is just a nut, a bolt that needs to go through. Yes, the back is resolved as well. I just found out that in these holes actually there were threads, so I managed to get some bolts. I had some bolts of the same size for the threads and all. I don't really like this type of bolts, but you know what, if I can avoid spending money, I will. This is one of the fixings for the tail light. There is another one inside that we can't see, but instead of starting messing about with stuff that is not the right stuff, I put that one in there. So there's another one just about there, you can't see, but with these two now, yeah, it's tight. I'm gonna put some pictures of the fabrication of the number plate. Although it was a pain in the neck, because at first I was going to put some lights in here, and then I realized, why am I bothering doing that? Because there's the tail lights just there. So in here I had this spare one. I don't know if you remember, some last year I had a Nissan Micra, and it was old. I repaired lots of things on it, but the tail light, I couldn't find one cheap enough, and I found two of these brand new LED lights for like £3 or something through Temu, together with other stuff I bought. So that's what it's going to be, just the light for the number plate. I might have to paint a little bit of the of the glass, so it doesn't actually put too much light except for the number plate. In here, the bracket, you'll see the pictures I'm gonna put, but this is a bracket that was for something else I was trying to do with Renegade, and then I went into different stuff. So it's reinforced. So this place where the bulb is I welded it to the number plate bracket itself, and then I double, because I put a piece of metal on this side, and then I reinforce it with another one on the other side. Just there, it's got a rubber washer, so to avoid too much vibration and breaking. But I don't think it's going to break because it's welded from back and front, so I doubt that is going to break. But I'm very happy with the advance I've done. I'm just not so happy about the fact that this stupid bracket today took me ages to get done. On a good note, what's happening is all the welding I've been doing. Normally, when you are a bit of an asshole with your MiG welder, you can burn the tips. Now, I did burn one tip in the beginning when I got the weld the first time, and I was doing some stuff on Renegade. I did burn it, but I'm getting better because I haven't been burning any more tips, and everything is going well. The welds are getting better, hopefully. I started, whilst I was waiting for the paint to dry on the bracket, I started sanding down this part of the rear mudguard. All you're going to see really is this bit here. all that from here backwards is going to be hidden behind, under the bike, but the whole thing, this part is going to be painted in white. I got the putty, the fiberglass putty, so I'm going to do some fiberglass first, putty, and then primer it, and then paint it. But like I said, it's just from here back that needs to be white on the top. The rest of it you can't see, so I'm not going to use material and waste it on that. But as you can see, it's part of the mudguard, so I still got the battery box and everything else that goes with it. This bracket on the other side got broken, but that is not a problem. I got it there in reserve, and when it's all said and done, I'm gonna put it back in there, either welded, either use some screws, whatever it takes to put it there. But like I said, this takes time, man. This takes a long time, but I'm well chuffed with the way things are going at the moment, because we're moving forward a bit more. Like I said, I didn't want to lie. This was going to be one of the jobs, and the front mudguard was going to be the other job, but I decided that I needed to get that back sorted out first, getting the brackets in here, getting this welded. All this is welded in place, so now the tail doesn't move at all. It's fixed in 2 points in here. On the other side it only has one. I don't think it needs any more, and it doesn't look strange because it's going to be covered. I got a little, I hope I'm going to be able to do a little side cover in here, but we'll see how it goes. But now things are moving forward. It's just a mess. The weather today is Friday. So now we're gonna have to put all this mess away. A bit messy, and hopefully the next time will be better. Okay guys, thank you for taking your time to watch this video. If you want to see it when you see it on YouTube, if you want to leave a like, it's fantastic, because that means people are watching. And if you have any comments, put the comments on. Just, you know, it doesn't matter what comments you put. If it's not very nice comments, I can just leave it as it is and not even bother answering it. If it's nice comments, you know, hopefully, and that gives me the incentive to carry on doing what I'm doing. Until then, be good and don't do anything I wouldn't do myself. Bye bye.